everybody, my name is JVM Travels, the true UK traveller, and welcome to Great Yarmouth. And this isn't going to be a very long video. It is currently raining and I'm currently at the beach. I'm going to turn you around and show you the beach from where I am and then head into the town centre. That's the main town centre to the bus station. Yes, indeed. And then I'll end it somewhere around there. So apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is Great Yarmouth Beach. I'm not going to go all the way down because it is raining, but I am on the lovely Great Yarmouth Greenland Beach. The reason why I'm saying Greenland because there's loads of greenery here. I don't know if you can make out, there is a ship right there. Yes, right there. Wherever it's going to, I don't know. And so on. Yes. So this is the beach. I'm going to do a quick panorama. That's 360. Yes. It's not too windy today, but it is what it is. To be precise, yes. It's nice and cool, shall I say, but it's raining. The only downside to the weather, yes. So, I'm gonna head on in now through this car park all the way down here. And yeah, the place I stayed at I probably wouldn't go back to, in my opinion. Oh, I forgot to recommend it. Do I recommend it or not? Yes. Oh well. Before the end. Yes, so you got a big wheel over there. Is it going around? I can't tell. Or is it off today? I really can't tell. I'm not using my microphone because it is raining and it's not microphone weather, unfortunately, but it is a nice place to come to, Great Yarmouth, yes. With all those beach huts over there and so on. It has stopped raining, but I will keep my hood up. I will. Yes, I like the Pound Court Hotel, but the thing for me, get rid of all these signs in black. Disgusting. Supposed to be the worst or one of the worst hotels in Great Yarmouth. Also comes up as being the cheapest at times, but not always the majestic. Yes. Now I will see you all in a moment's time. I'm now walking down one of the main high streets in the town centre. Yes. And the grill place is there. Right over there, the grill place. where you can get your £1 quarter pounder. The Prince Regent is here. I've never really seen anyone go in this pub. All the time they walk past it. This place is amazing. Looks even nicer inside. Savoy Tandoori. And once again, here is the pub. And this is the way I am going. £14.95 for a 4-course Sunday meal deal. Don't think I could eat 4 courses, rather. I just don't think I could. Have to hurry up. Yes. So, it is nice that it has stopped raining, but it could start raining soon again. Yes, it could start raining again. So, the plan for the next video is to get all the way to Lincoln. That is the plan. Yes, indeed. That is the plan. Now I have reached my destination. I'm going to find the bus. Very shortly. This has been Great Yarmouth, and I've enjoyed my time here. Yes, a lot. I have enjoyed my time. And that Indian curry I had last night was bang on. Yes, really, really good. So, apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video, right as this one. Bye for now. Bye. Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller. It was absolutely rancid. Disgusting. It was dreadful. Just unbelievable. Thumbs up Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.